It was too beautiful to do this unboxing inside, so we're outside, and actually this is where the equipment we need, because we're going to test it out on this big SUV. This isn't really a test. This is a big SUV and a big test for this. This is from WOLFBOX, and the reason we're testing it on the SUV is because this has some unique qualities with a very large battery, the ability to go to 150 PSI, as well as do it quickly. So while we unbox it, let me tell you a little bit about me and why that is important in my life. So I used to race cars professionally, and I've driven all over the country with all kinds of trailers. So anytime you're traveling with heavy equipment, the PSIs go up, right? This thing's probably gonna be at close to 100 PSI to tow with. The trailer is gonna be at like 80 to 100 pounds to tow with. And your basic air inflators, while they might be able to get there once or twice, it's really, number one, probably gonna ruin them. Number two, they're probably gonna break. And number three, they're certainly not gonna be reliable. So you want a piece that's actually designed for that kind of use. Enter WOLFBOX, who did reach out to me to do this review because they're familiar with my history and they know I can actually speak authentically to you about this. So they supplied this to me to do this review, but they don't give me any instructions. They're just like, we think we invented something that's gonna work for the kind of stuff you like, and so here I am talking to you about it. So let's see what it comes up. It comes with the wire to charge it. Comes with a couple different adapters to inflatables and bicycles and that kind of stuff, and footballs if you want to do that. Here is your 12-volt power supply in case you need that. Here's the hose for the actual inflating process, and we're starting to see some of those differences in quality, right? It is a nice braided hose, right? And it's got some good length to it, so if it's like a larger tire, you're not going to have it dangling by the hose. We got O-rings, a rubber grip on the other side. Let's see what the unit itself looks like. Now, again, this is the kind of thing we're talking about. This is not light. This is not small. This is quality. This is heavy duty. This is cool. This is part of the fun of them not talking to me about this ahead of time. Look at this. I was not expecting this at all. I hope you could see it is a clear plastic front. You could see all of the electronics in there. How freaking cool is that? Oh. Not only is it a great tool, but it is cool looking at the same time. Let's turn it on. Let's see if we can see what's on the display. Give us some power so we just plug it. Oh, it's even charged. Let's just plug it in. Okay, so it's set to go to 36 PSI. That's not a real test. Let's set it. Come on. Let's see if we can press it and hold it down. 38, 40. Should we do 50? And let's go to 62.7. See how quickly and how well it does that. So as I'm attaching this, I noticed a couple other things which are uniquely different, which I want to talk to you about. Look how well vented it is at the top and at the bottom, so it can dissipate heat, because these pumps definitely create a lot of heat, and the cheaper models don't have that at all. Okay, so here is a good mistake, right? So we're going to set it to go to 60 plus pounds. 64, and here's the kind of thing that I was talking about. Look, this is a full-size SUV, and this goes all the way up to the top without me doing anything, without it hanging by it, any of those things which are going to break the equipment. See what we got. Okay, we're at 27 pounds. Let's go. Ooh, that is actually kind of quiet. I mean, obviously it's a mechanical pump, so it's going to be a little loud. But again, as these things go, not very loud at all. And look at this, you could actually see it climbing. That is ridiculously good. We are already at 29 pounds. It's gone up 2 pounds since we started this conversation. All right, let's come back to this when we get to our 64.2 pounds. All right, nailed it, 62.4, and we are at, it took a solid 4.5 minutes, right? Which I think is a totally reasonable expectation for this. This is universally different because I've reviewed a lot of these and they would be so freaking cooking hot, melting at this point. Except the super big metal units actually are designed to dissipate heat through the metal. They radiate the heat out. So this is the first balance that I've seen where it's not that giant metal 50,000 ton form, but at the same time, it had plenty of power to pump this thing up quick. Let me also see, we've gone down about 1 bar. So you could probably do all 4 or 5 tires from 0 to 60, no problem with a full charge on this thing, which is a big thing. But the regular handheld units, the ones you see all the time on Amazon, I'm telling you, they overheat. The hoses are melting. Like, I can even hold this connection. That's how cool this is. The other ones, they're like melting hot. So yeah, this thing is is absolutely dead nuts perfect for its job. If you're going to be doing heavy duty work, but not like on a commercial basis, right? You have a big old RV, you want to travel over the country, you're racing cars, you have a snowmobile and you got a trailer and you need to pump those tires up and you need to be able to pump them up if you have an issue while you're on the road. This is definitely the one to go with. You should absolutely get this. There's actually a link here on the screen and one down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use them. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel, hit the hype feature if we're here on YouTube. Put a comment below. I'm always curious. There are all kinds of interesting uses. Maybe you have a big boat, maybe a race boat, and you got a big old trailer. And you ever see those boats where they're like sideways on the trailer as they go down the road? Anyway, maybe you have a cool use case. Put it in the comments below. Love to hear about that. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.